Yeah, I think we're live. Hey guys, this is day 33 of trying to get a software engineering internship. I'm just gonna connect my mic. I don't know why I just forgot to connect my mic. Let me do that. Sorry guys, gotta connect the mic. I don't know why. How the heck do you forget to connect the mic? That is beyond me. Let me just connect this. What a terrible start to the stream. Just completely forgot to connect my mic. Here's the mic, boys. Okay, let me just quickly connect this. Here we go. So I'm guessing you're all probably wondering like where I've been. Just let me connect my mic and I'll tell you all where I have been. Did it? It should be connected now. Yeah, it's connected. Okay, yeah, my mic is properly connected now. So I'm gonna get into the details of why I've been gone for like 5 days. So I got a pretty big interview, guys. So I got an interview at a company. I'm not gonna name the company, but it was for a software developer internship position, and it was a pretty big well, I was about to say LeetCode. It was a pretty big interview. We had a bunch of different things. It came down to like they had a backend as Java, and I'm pretty familiar with Java, but the only issue was like on the job description they didn't actually like tell me what was going on. So they were just like, oh, yo, Amin Bagiri says, yo, what's good, bro? How are you, man? Amin helped me so much in the interview process as well, dude. For like 2 days straight, we were just doing mock interviews constantly. But yeah, like the interview was pretty weird, but the company actually reached out to me today and they were like, oh, they'll get back to me next week. So yeah, but it was like a Java backend developer position, which is pretty good. And yeah, they asked me a couple of Java questions, like what is a static variable in terms of Java, and like I didn't like entirely I got a lot of the questions right, but not everything was correct. Like I'd say 85 to 90% of what I said was correct. He asked me like how to do a binary search, right? And when I was like explaining it, I kind of didn't fully remember a binary search because normally they get you to write the code down for it. But yeah, he asked me a bunch of technical questions, maybe like one behavioral question is like, oh, introduce yourself, like what makes you like coding, something like that. And then I had a technical interview, so I did a Leet Code style problem. I'll show you guys what the problem was. I solved everything fine, everything was good, did everything correctly, but they told me they're gonna get back to me next week. So let's see, I think maybe Monday. You had an interview? Yes, sir, bro. Where? Summer one? No, it was a fall one, so it starts in beginning of September. So I'm just waiting on that for Monday. But I can't say where. I don't want to say anything right now until I get the position, because I feel like, yeah, it's just not smart to say what it is. Coder Kuhn says, what's up, bro? Yo, what's up, man? Nice to have you on stream. I mean, we give you, hey, blood, what's up? What's happened to the Dragon's Den thing? Bumble. But yeah, thank you so much, Amin, for helping me out. I know I've told you this off stream as well, but it was like your help. Like without Amin's help, honestly, I probably would have failed that interview completely. But it was just the improvisations I was able to do, even though I didn't even know it was a Java developer position. They put like 6 coding languages on the description, but we pushed through. Great company, by the way. The interviewer was awesome. Everything was awesome. But yeah, I could have done a little better on the interview, but it's a lesson for next time if I don't get the job. But yeah, Amin helped so much. Shout out to Amin, bro. And I was actually considering quitting this journey. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I was like, yo, I don't know if I'm gonna keep going, but I've came to the decision that I'm not gonna stop till I get that internship. I gotta keep pushing through. I started this series and told myself I'm gonna try to get it within this series, and I'm gonna continue this series until I get that internship. Regardless of what I do on the streams, doesn't matter. I'm gonna keep trying, and I'm not gonna give up. But that's the last 5 days was just me reflecting. I had the interview yesterday with preparation for 4 days, and yeah. Did you get? No, I'm gonna hear back on Monday, so I don't know entirely yet, but let's see, guys. Hopefully the best happens and I get the position because it is within my city and everything. So hopefully it works out, but I'm not too sure what's gonna happen just yet. But I'm hoping for the best. I am hoping for the best. But yeah, how much hip hop do you listen? I don't really listen to music as much anymore. Maybe when I'm driving, but that's the most. The music is just kind of like, yeah, I don't know. Music's just something I've not been crazy about recently. Bruh, don't quit. It's normal to apply 100 times and get selected 10 times. No, it's like I just felt like I messed my big chance up, and I don't know the outcome yet, but I just got really demotivated yesterday. I thought I messed up the interview because he asked me, well, one of the questions was, I don't even know how I didn't remember the answer, but static variables in Java, right? He asked me, what's a static variable in Java? So I was supposed to say this, but I completely forgot. I just blanked. But then he asked me what a final variable was. I do know how that stuff works and everything. Then he asked me interfaces. I knew what an interface was. Then he asked me about abstract classes. That's another thing in Java. I kind of knew what I was talking about with that because I know my Java, but it's just been a minute for I should have like studied it more. Yeah, that cannot be used to create objects. So I did say the right thing here. Like I said the right thing about abstract classes and like everything, but it was just obviously like I wasn't fully like as I wasn't like up to date as much as I normally would have been before on my Java because I haven't been doing as much Java recently, but like I'm a quick learner, right? So with Java, like I can quickly just learn my stuff and get back to it because I already know most of Java, right? Like I've worked on projects with Java and everything. It's not that hard for me to learn it. I just, I got to get back into it and stuff. And just like technical questions in terms of Java, like I try my best because I've taken Java classes and stuff. But yeah, like let's just see what the outcome is. I think I did decently well. Like I only got like the binary search question. I got the answer 50%. And then the static variable, I just did not remember. So yeah, like I think I did well, but I don't know if I did enough to get the job. That's really just it. But that's why I was gone. Like I was just preparing for the interview. That's really all it was. It wasn't me lacking or anything, slacking off, anything like that. But I'm not gonna quit. I've decided that I'm gonna push through. You guys are awesome. You guys keep me going, man. And I'm not gonna stop this series till I get that internship and I can make the video. I got a software engineering internship. I can't, like my ego can't take it, my heart can't take it. I just don't want to quit. I don't think it's worth quitting. I've done 32 days worth of videos of me just grinding out projects, LeetCode, everything, and we're only just gonna get better. I started this journey and I'm not gonna end it unless I get the result I want. No matter if it takes 100 to even 1,000 days, I'm gonna try my best not to quit. And I know myself and I'm not a quitter. And I have had opportunities where I discuss them with my friends to see what else I can do, but I think I'm more than capable of just doing my thing and like pushing through and all that. Like I think I'm very capable of getting a software engineering internship job. It's going to take some time. This is the worst market ever, but only the quitters are the ones who don't get the job. So that's just how it is. Nice to see that you only got selected questions wrong. There is a chance. Yeah, I only got 1 or 2 questions wrong in the interview. It was just the static variable. I didn't even get it wrong. I just didn't know what it was because I was thinking about it and I kind of gave like a weird answer. And then, yeah, like I just had to remember it because it had been a minute. But yeah. And then the binary search, I was describing the algorithm, and then I was like, oh yeah, you go in the middle, and then if it's greater or less than, then you go towards the left or the right, and then I forgot you had to go for the middle, and then yeah. Were you expecting more of LeetCode type questions? I thought it would have been more of a behavioral, and then they give you LeetCode, but then he just slapped me. Like he started asking me about my resume as well, and like they do normally ask you that in interviews, but not to like a lot of detail. They just tell you to describe your projects and whatever. But sometimes like if they think you wrote some BS on there, like I wrote my data retrieval speed by 25% was improved, and it was like, oh, tell me how you did that. And my main part on the database was actually just the user model thing. So in my collections we had a model of a user, and I used to gather all the user data within the MongoDB database, and then he asked me my user rights. So make sure, guys, when you're like in the interview process, whatever you wrote on your resume, make sure you actually have answers for it. Don't just BS on there. Like, if you BS, at least know what to say when they ask you about that BS. That was a mistake I kind of made that also kind of messed me up a little bit, where I said some things on my resume that I wasn't like completely able to back up as much as I should have been able to. So that's something I definitely look into while I'm interviewing at a company. Just whatever you wrote on your resume, make sure you actually know what you're talking about. And I somewhat did, so I was able to like, answer it. But I was just so like, I wasn't expecting that type of question. You know what I mean? Like, I was like, oh my god. So I was expecting more behavioral, like in this situation, what would you do type of questions, and then a LeetCode question at the end. But it ended up being a pretty challenging interview, but I think a pretty it was a knowledgeable and like learning experience of an interview. Like, I think that's one of the more fun interviews I've done. The interviewer was awesome. Everything was good about it. It was set up amazingly, and they're very respectful. Like, nothing was wrong. They helped me out, and they let me ask questions at the end. Everything was great. Like, the company process was amazing. But I expected better from myself in a way. Like, I think I did all right, but I could have definitely done better, and that's on me. I should have been more prepared in a lot more aspects. I just didn't know what to expect, and you can never be like that when you're going into an interview, because they can throw at you whatever they want, because they didn't tell me exactly what was going to come in the interview. So I should have been more prepared. I only had like a day to prepare, to be fair, but we were preparing on stream with just LeetCode stuff in general. But Amin helped me with the behavioral side of things. What's your tech stack, bro? I do a whole lot of everything at the moment, but currently I'd say HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Next.js, Java, Python. I'd say those are my main things at the moment. I'm learning Tailwind CSS. But yeah, for today's stream, I'm just gonna talk more, and I'm gonna give some more advice on how to apply today, because I feel like we're not going into that aspect of like the software engineering internship thing. We're a lot more technical, and after this interview, I've just learned that it's not always just about technical, because you can like get good at technical pretty easily. Like, the questions he asked me are very easy if you studied Java, like any Java multiple choice question beforehand, and just brought your knowledge up again. Like, I definitely could have just aced that Java technical interview if I just studied the Java multiple choice questions you can find online. But that's on me. Like, I should have done that. I didn't even know it was a Java backend developer position, because they didn't specify. So it's not all my fault, but I definitely, like, I'm a man who takes accountability, and I should have taken accountability in that sense. But yeah, I realized things aren't always technical. They can be very behavioral, and getting that interview in the first place, like, dude, there's probably like a lot more like better software engineers out there who want internships, but it's just about how your resume looks, how fast you apply. Another thing I've learned, dude, there's so many people. If you open an application within 2 hours, there's gonna be a person who applied. Like, there's gonna be 100 people who applied. That's how bad this market is, and you want to be the fastest possible applicant. You want to be in the first 50. And if you're one of the first 50 applicants, from there you can just, because if they look at your resumes based off a rolling basis, if there's 400 applicants, right, they are not looking at your resume, bro. They are not. If you applied like after the 100th applicant or something, unless they have AI resume screeners and your resume is actually good, you're not getting an interview, bro. Like, this company I applied to, I think I was the first 50 people who even like applied. Like, I was one of the first 50, and I think if they had an AI resume screener or not, I'm not too sure. I think they're urgently hiring at the moment, but I'm not too sure with the details. But I do know what I've learned. Any interview I've gotten, I've been one of the more like first 50 applicants or whatever, right? And you need to be quick, bro. They're not waiting for you. This isn't just about technical. This is about your networking. This is about your knowledge. This is about how quick you are, how sharp you are. That's the game, bro. That's literally the game. And that's what I'm realizing. Like, every day when I do this stuff, I'm just realizing new things every single day. When I talk to more people, I'm always like trying to gain information. What are the different edges? And I'm providing you guys that for free. I have to make the Discord soon. I've just been lazy. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I gotta make that very soon, and I'm gonna give a lot more information there, because I don't want everyone to know about these things, because the more people I'm gonna tell publicly, the more people are gonna know what to do. And if more people know what to do, then it's not going to be a secret anymore, and we can't capitalize on it, right? We only want select people to know. So if you guys are watching this on stream, don't tell everyone this stuff, because this is your edge that I'm telling you guys for free. Like, these are things that are going to get you interviews. I've gotten 3 interviews in the past 3 weeks, right? And it's been pretty good. Like, I'm getting interviews now. Like, and before this series, maybe I was getting like 2 interviews a freaking like, yeah, I was getting like 2 interviews every 4 months, bro. Like, the changes I made from this YouTube channel and like my mindset, everything, and just applying that's what's changing the game. There is a way. If you see people at the top, whether it's being rich, whether it's anything, if you see people at the top, right, that means there is a way, and you just gotta find that way. And once you find that way, you don't need to find your own way. You don't need to find a new solution. Like, when you're doing a LeetCode problem, you don't need to find a new algorithm to answer the question. You need to replicate the algorithm that has already been provided and is proven to be the most optimal. And that's how you got to look at life, right? You got to take the best techniques that you know work, even if other people do them, and you got to make sure not a lot of people know about them, and you got to capitalize on that. So I'm telling you guys these things, you got to be noting this stuff down, because if you guys want this to change your life, listen to what I'm saying, because I went from 2 interviews every 4 months to 3 interviews, 1 interview a week. That change is insane. That's like a 50% increase in the number of interviews I'm getting. And that's all. And there's like a lack of applications. I think I've applied to 30 places in the past like maybe 1 or 2 months. And I've got 3 out of 30 is insane. 3 out of 30, what is that? That's like in this market, that's a good rate. That's 10%, I think. Yeah, that's 10%. I'm getting 10% of the applications I'm applying to, I'm getting interviews from now, right? And that number is only going to increase the more I apply, hopefully. And applications for summer are going to open up in like 2 weeks. So you got to be quick. You got to go like this, bro. You got to like that, bro. You got to go as fast as possible. Not a lot of people understand that. So I'm putting you guys on game right now. Y'all got to be listening, bro. And smash the subscribe button. We need to go up in the subscribers as well, bros. But yeah, hopefully I'll let you guys know what happens. I don't know if I'm gonna disclose the company or anything. I probably won't, but let's see. I think people are afraid to apply. Bro, what's the fear, man? If you don't apply, you're not getting anything. But yeah. Let's see. So what I'm thinking of doing today is I want to find an applying bot, bro. Like application bot or something, bro. We need to find something like this, bro. Application bot. Is it in NYC? No, it's not in NYC. Is that morphine time? I like the name. No, it's not in NYC or anything. Nothing in NYC, bro. It's within Canada. That's all I can say. Application bot for applying on LinkedIn. So I'm just gonna research finding an applying bot today. Let's read this. Hello, fellow devs. I made a bot that crawls the LinkedIn so website sends the fill job and that you want automated. So if anyone's struggling with the current layoffs, you can use my bot to send orders in my. Ooh, easy. Okay, this is an easy apply bot though. Do we want to use an easy apply bot? Probably not, right? Yo, does anyone know anything they use for applications to quickly fill out everything? Let's search up LinkedIn application. Hemo says hop on Fortnite, bro. You're crazy, bro. There's money to be made and you talking about hopping on Fortnite, bro. LinkedIn application bot. Automate your job process. So I don't want to open my LinkedIn here. Let me put this on a Yo, someone gotta find some right now. LinkedIn application bot, bro. We gotta find something. Oh, did I show you guys the new chatbot we made? AI chatbot. So we made this. This uses Grok Cloud. So this is what I was working on last time I was on stream. So it goes, it does this, Pretty cool, pretty cool. And then yeah, it's just a head starter chatbot, so it works completely high. I worked on the actual back end of the OpenAI stuff. So yeah, it's like it looks pretty clean. We have a feedback thing here. And like, hi, what is your program? All this stuff. So this works really well. What is your program? Everything works. Our program is like, it's pretty quick. It's like an actual like customer service bot. Like it works decently well. And like you gotta log in. Like we have user authentication, everything. We have light mode, dark mode, suggested questions. Like what mentors, like everything gets answered. It's pretty sick. So this is what we made. We have the new one for head starter. What's the new one they did? I haven't started it yet because I've been so busy with the interview, but let me see. Head starter login. Head starter login. There we go. They don't even have a sliding window and intervals. What does it give me? Schedule overlap checker. We might do this. I'll probably do this off stream, to be honest. Pathways to tag. Yeah, we have this flashcards and AI flashcards and stripes. So we got to figure this out. Me and my team are going to start building this. I might do it on stream tomorrow or off stream. I'm not too sure yet. We'll see later. But as of today, I'm just going to try to find like an actual chatbot. Or sorry, application bot. Are there any bots I can use to apply to jobs? Lazy apply. Are you looking to make your job process easier and faster by using bots to apply for jobs? If you are so in luck, if so, bro, where's my English at chat? Chat is out. Sorry, bro, I'm done. My English is so bad. I'm cooked. I am cooked. I'm actually speaking at an AI conference on the first week of September. I'm gonna record that for you guys and like show chat like how that looked, because it's gonna be pretty cool. Like I'm just speaking on a conference. We'll see what happens with it. I don't know if it's confirmed, but someone reached out to me. I don't know why they reached out to me. They were just like, oh, you'd seem like a good fit. And then yeah, they're like, we want you to speak at our tech conference at the university. So I'm gonna speak there. I'll show you guys what it looks like. But let's see. If so, you're in luck. Introducing Lazy Apply, an innovative job application bot that makes applying for jobs easier and more efficient. With Lazy Apply, you can. Yo, bro, what's up? What's good, bro? How are you, bro? That's my 1,000 subscriber right there. What's good, G? With Lazy Apply, you can quickly and easily fill out job applications and submit them to employers in just a few clicks. With this intuitive interface, okay, this is the app. Lazy Apply offers a job so it offers it for everything. Bro is a speaker legend. Yes, sir. I'm about to be a speaker legend. Wait, what do you mean? Like I'm like way too loud, or like what are you talking about? You're good. How about you? I'm sick, bro. Just had an interview. I was telling everyone about that. That's why I was gone for a couple days. And yeah, we'll see the result of that interview next week. If I get the job, the series is over, and I'm going to make some YouTube videos in general and tell you guys about the job and like how I got it, etc. But yeah, Zuhaib Hassan says, yo, what's good, my guy? How are you, bro? How are you? We're back, bro. I told you guys till Wednesday I'm gone. I'm back. I was gone because I had the interview and stuff. I had an interview at a company. It was a pretty big interview. I already talked about it. I can't keep going over the interview. You guys are going to have to go back in the video and check what I'm talking about. But it was a crazy interview. It was a movie of an interview. I'm going to find out next week. Hopefully I get the internship. And if I do, I start in September. and I will have fulfilled the goal of the thing. Bro, miss your stream. Thank you, man. I'm glad that it means so much to you that that I have to stream and all that. Like, I appreciate you guys waiting for me. I'm so sorry. I wish I came back earlier, guys. It's just, yeah, I had the interview. I had to grind the interview out. Like, I couldn't, like, I just had to focus, bro. Me and Amin were grinding, bro. When I tell you we were up late, bro, we were just hustling, like, constantly, like, going over questions, Leet Code, everything. We were doing everything, and it went decently well, but yeah. Very awesome, cool. Yo, what's up, bro? Says Kasim. I mean, I'm great, bro. How are you, man? Thank you for coming on stream today. I really appreciate you having me. We got 10 guys in chat, bro. Sorry, not guys. There's probably some females in here too. But we have 10 people in chat, boys. This is awesome, bro. Y'all are really giving me a welcome back today. Y'all are really giving me a welcome. We got 12 people watching, actually. Thank you guys all for coming. So I'm just looking for a job application bot, because I feel like so many people are using these. And they're like quickly applying, spam applying to places. So I'm trying to find the best job application bot there is so that I can apply as fast, because I was giving this advice to everyone. I don't know if a lot of you were here, but I was saying about how some companies look at resumes based off a rolling basis, and what that means is like it depends on how quickly you apply. If you're one of the first 50 applicants, there's a higher chance of the company actually looking at your resume if they're not using an AI resume scanner, which some companies don't. So you have to take that into consideration. Only really big companies or medium-sized companies are using AI scanners for your resume. Your resume obviously has to be good to also get an interview. The fundamental is making sure your resume is good, because either way, your resume needs to be good, but applying as quickly as you can is extremely important, especially in this market. Have LinkedIn job alerts on, have AI bots that are freaking applying for you as fast as possible. Make sure you're always checking. You gotta do that. You don't have a choice anymore, bro. Looks like the series is coming to an end. Maybe, man, but I'm not gonna stop making videos for you guys, bro. I'm gonna keep going. That's not gonna stop. I'm gonna show you guys how I got it. The Discord's gonna come. We're gonna talk about stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing to make even more money than I am through the software engineering job. There's gonna be a lot of things, and we're gonna have a lot of big people. So you guys should stay tuned into that. This is just a journey where all of us are building ourselves up together, right? It's not just about me. I want all of us to get jobs. You guys are all like all my people. 1,140 plus of you are like my family, bro. At this point, like, I meet you guys every single day. It's crazy, bro. But yeah, like, as you guys see, we're gonna try this lazy bot thing, but I think it only works for like easy apply on LinkedIn. I'm not sure though. Indeed doesn't really have like a, because like, you know, a lot of the times apply for 1,000 jobs for, like, this is what people are probably using, bro, and we don't even know about it. Let's visit their site. So AI for job search. So it just does it for you. Let's watch this video. Am I allowed to watch it? Like, out of nowhere, it just does everything for you. Look at that. That's very cracked. Like, so many people are just using these types of tools. And like, yeah. I want to find one though that like deals with like Workday and like all that other stuff, right? Like, cause there's like so many things where like, okay, like this is for easy apply or whatever, right? But Workday bot, job Workday AI bot for applying on Workday. Yeah, try just done 2 million plus professional student. So there's so many things. Yo, if anyone could let me know what they use, that'd be sick, because that will really help me out, like figuring out what I should be using. Try just done, efficient hire, smart job matches. So this is job matching, not job applying. Huh. Bagad Bila says, "Hey, brother. Yo, what's up, man? Nice to have you on stream. Did you do your interview? Yeah, I had it yesterday. I had my interview yesterday. Day one of building in my major project. Oh, what's the major project? Can we know? And I'm happy that you're going on a new journey of building some projects. Dude, I'm trying to find like something that automates these processes, bro, but I don't think you can. Like, yeah, I'm just thinking lazy apply is probably the best one. Like, you fill everything out and just does it quickly for you. Maybe I'll look into it more later. I'm thinking of if we practice some 2-pointers today, we can do this container with most water question, because this isn't too bad. I might just do this, actually, to be honest. Might do this on stream for now, so that I might check out the AI bot later. You are looking, I mean, also trying to get a job. No, I mean, just help me out. Like, he was just helping me. I mean, it's good. I mean, he's doing his own thing. You are looking really tired today. Damn, am I? Maybe I am just super tired. I feel like I have a lot more energy today, though, guys. Also, guys, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, bro. We gotta grow this channel at the moment, bro. We gotta push through. We gotta subscribe. In India, we usually have to submit a major project in 8th semester, so started building in 7th. I've already built the hardware in my 5th sem and building a web app using Mern. That's awesome to hear, bro. That sounds sick, dude. I'm proud of you, man. Proud of you. That's lovely to hear. I like that, bro. Everyone tell me about their stories, how their project building is going, how everything is going for them at the moment. I want to hear y'all out, bro. How is stuff going for everyone here? And in terms of this Leet Code problem, let's start this as well. Xcali draw. This was a question from my interview. So it was like, do you guys want to see the question? I'll just show you. It was like A star. Maybe I have the question, Ike. I'm not gonna open it though. I feel like they'll get mad at me, so I'm not gonna share it, because I could possibly work for them. So I'm not gonna share anything. Can you guys hire me? You guys, I'm not gonna leak the company name, but bro, I love y'all. I actually really want to work for you guys' company. So if y'all could hire me, I think I did my best in the interview. I could have done better, but I definitely, like, y'all can see I'm working hard, bro. So if y'all are watching, bro, hire your boy, bro. Hire your boy. Your boy needs a hire, fam. Your boy needs a hire. But yeah, thank you guys for introducing Xcali draw to me, bro. This makes things like 10 times easier. Let's just do this. But yeah, where is everyone else in chat? Yo, guys, keep talking, bro. I'm trying to hear y'all out, bro. How was your interview? And I have an idea about, and I have idea. What do you mean? Bro, even if you got the interview, good computer ghost you out. Good company, it's ghost you out. That's true. That's true. But I think with this one, I'm not going to get ghosted, because I talked to HR today. She good, she mean. They do. I have no idea about DSA. Dude, DSA is just grinding, bro. You just gotta keep doing these questions over and over again, bro. Let's see what this question entails, though. So wait, let me move the Xcali here. I hope you get the job. Wait, what did you say? I hope you get a job, or I hope you get job. Yeah, bro. Thank you so much for that, bro. I hope so too. I think I will. I think I have a good feeling, but I also have an feeling. I'm not too sure. If someone performs better than me in the interviews, touche. I can't do anything, but I think I have a chance. And if I have a chance, I'm gonna keep trying, bro. Wish you best of the luck. Appreciate that, gang. Will you stream if you get the job? Okay, the purpose of the series is that I'm trying to get a software engineering internship, and if I've done that, then I don't know if I can continue streaming, if that makes sense. It wouldn't make sense for me to keep streaming, but I will continue to make YouTube videos and constantly push out content. I'll have a Discord where we can all talk, have calls and all that, actually like communicate with each other. But I don't think I'll be streaming. I'm going to be making YouTube videos though. That's going to probably be where I'm going to gravitate towards. But yeah, no bro, don't us. What does that mean? You are given an integer array heights where heights I represents the height of the ith bar. Okay, awesome. You may choose any two bars to form a container. Return the maximum amount of water a container can store. So, what height I represents the height of the ith bar. So how do I know how much water this can store? And if I guess I multiply them. Okay, I gotta understand what this question. Like Amin ghosted us, please don't leave. Amin's on to bigger and better things, bro. Amin is doing really well for himself right now. You guys gotta understand why he left. Listen, some things you can't always continue. The purpose of the series is till I get a software engineering internship. I can't continue the series, but I'm gonna make YouTube videos. Amin will be back on YouTube, I promise you that. I know why he's busy now and all that. Like, there's a good reason for it, and once he's done, he's gonna definitely be back, guys. And you gotta keep in tune for what he's gonna bring. Like, stay in tune for what he's gonna bring, because Amin's a very intelligent guy, and he's someone that I'd love to get information from about anything. So you may choose any two bars to form a container. Return the maximum amount of water a container can store. How does this even work, bro? You should use area left and right. Use recursive and select bar one. Iterate till you get a smaller bar and calculate area. Bro, you can't spoil answers, bro. I'm still confused on what this. Oh, it's kind of like this. So 6 times 6. I'm super confused on what this question's asking. All you need to do is multiply. Yeah, I guess the area, yeah, 6 times 6. But the way it like does it, because the height is 7 and then it takes the last one. Why didn't it just take these two, like 7 times 7? Why didn't it just do that, like 7 times 7? Bro, will he do streams? Probably not. I'm not sure. I haven't asked. I'm not gonna lie. The thing about streaming is it takes a very big mental toll on whoever is doing it. So if you're streaming a lot, like, it's just like, oh my god, wait, what the heck? If you're streaming a lot, like, it's just like one of those situations where it gets tiring for an individual. Like, streaming a lot is not ideal at all. Like, I wouldn't want to stream a lot, if I'm being very honest with you guys. Like, streaming is just tiring for a lot of people. So yeah. Bro, max area equals height times distance between two bars. Yeah, I know. I'm just seeing why they did 6 times 6 rather than just... Oh, okay, because they're further from each other. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, yeah, good catch. That was actually smart. You explained it pretty well to me. Bro, streaming is much more easy than making videos. That's true, but you also have to constantly find like 1 to 2 hours every... I guess I may stream. I don't know, but I might do just like chill streams. That's a good point, Zahib, actually. Same as largest rectangle in the histogram problem. Okay, yeah, I understand how to do the question now. Okay. That makes sense. But it's not an easy question at all. So I gotta figure out, because we are using 2 pointers in this case. So let's see how I'm gonna do it. Yo, the tiredness is now kicking in. Oh my god, bro. Also, guys, again, if you're new, make sure to subscribe. Really helps out the channel. So yeah, let's just draw this out. It's always good to draw your questions out. I'm gonna put a timer of 30 minutes. I don't want to go over to 30 minutes for these types of questions. Although this is not an easy question, but yeah, let's do 30. We have a 30-minute timer. Can go live whenever you want. For videos, you gotta write the script and recording the demo, then edit, upload on YouTube. Yeah, it is frustrating. I agree with you in that sense. It isn't the easiest situation to be in. 1 7 2 5 4 7 3 6. Okay, I guess obviously the pointers are gonna work that they're on each end, right? These are the 2 pointers, and you know what? You have the left pointer, you have the right pointer, and you're gonna go each one. So I guess I can get to 3 here. I can get to 7. Gotta erase. Wait, let me just do this 1 second, boys. So yeah, 1 second. We're gonna have like a max area. We can do 1 6. So 1 and 6, obviously we can't do a rectangular thing. Like, it wouldn't be rectangular. So the way this would be calculated is we take the lower number. Okay, I actually know how to do this. This is not that hard of a question. So we're gonna take the lower number. So we're gonna take the minimum of these two. So minimum between, so it's so hard to draw with the keyboard and mouse. Min. We're gonna take a minimum of 1 and 6, and then in this case that would be 1, and then we would do 1 times 1. Sorry, not 1 times 1. We wouldn't do 1 times 1. We would just do 1 times whatever their distance is, right? So 1 times the distance between these two, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7, and then the area is 7. At this point, this is the max area, and then we move forward. I don't know if this is the most optimal solution, to be honest, but yeah. Bro, I told one of my friends to quit gaming and focus on getting a job, and bro, he got mad. Listen, bro, I don't know. In those cases, it's just the guy's choice. You can't force people to do certain things. I agree that he should probably stop gaming, but it isn't that crazy. Sayonara, brother. What does that mean, bro? What does sayonara, brother, mean? Max is 7 for now. And then we keep calculating the area, right? So how are we gonna, I guess we want to look at all the possibilities. So are we gonna go from this left pointer all the way here and then reset it and then keep going and then reset? Is that the most optimal solution? So sayonara equals bye, brother. Oh, okay. Thank you for coming on stream though, bro. It was awesome having you here, bro. And I hope that you tune in for next time so we can talk again. We had a good conversation. But yeah, I guess we start with 6, then we can keep moving this 1 pointer all the way till here. And then we go up until here. And then yeah, like that's one approach, and then once we reach the end we go here, and then we go all the way here again, and then once we're done we go back, we move this, go till here. Once we're done, then we move on. Like, you just keep moving on. Yeah, you just keep moving on, high key. But yeah, again guys, if you're new, make sure to subscribe. Really helps out the channel. Okay, I guess that's the approach I'm gonna have to take, because we want to check every single possibility with, yeah, we want to check every single possibility. So left equals 0, right equals len. I don't know if this is the most optimal solution though, so we have to look into what's more optimal. But I haven't done this problem before. But len equals height minus 1. Why did I say height? I meant heights. Heights minus 1. I think we're doing well so far. Hopefully we get this problem. We have 25 minutes, so I gotta write the solution up quick. They say the coding part isn't even the hardest. It's just getting the actual algorithm. Bro, he has gaming since 6 years nonstop. Listen again, bro. It just comes down to what people want to do with their lives. Like, I'm not one to. I don't like judging too much because everyone has their own reasons for why they do things. So I'm not big on like smacking people up for that stuff. Like, I just don't think it's a good practice. Everyone does their own thing. Like, if he enjoys gaming, he enjoys gaming. If he just keeps gaming, like, again, like, I don't know the reason. Obviously recommend him to stop, but if he's getting mad about it, you don't need to do too much. Just let him mind your own business and move forward. Left equals 0, right equals, yeah, that's all I need for now. And then we'll have like a max, current max equals 0. What happened here? Yeah, and then we'll continue on from there. So for I in range len, no, we want a while loop, not a for loop. It's probably better to do a while loop. So while left is greater than right. Yeah, that's probably how I do it. While left is greater than right. Because it's always going to be greater than right, really. Yeah, while left is greater than right. Yeah, let's do this. So while left is greater than right. Mike Jagger, you are watching a master at work. I appreciate that, boss. How's your startup internship going, bro? Yeah, you were right. While left is greater than right. How are we going to do this? How are we doing this, boys? I just realized how I had to do it, and now I just forgot. Yeah, it's current area equals. Oh wait, let's do the. What are we calling it again? The width or the height? Yeah, height equals min between heights left and then heights right. Do you think it's good if I comment my code? Probably better if I comment my code. Yeah, I'm gonna comment my code. Hashtag, and then let's write hard as all but fun. I'm glad you're having a good time, bro. Congratulations again, and hopefully I join you soon in this internship journey, bro. Of finding a job, man. 'Cause this stuff messed up. But yeah, this is to calculate height between two bars. Use the smaller bar. Bro's cooking. Yeah, we trying to cook, bro. We trying to cook. So yeah, that's how we get the height, and now we want the width. And all the width is gonna be is the difference between these two. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So width equals, all it is just right minus left. That's the width, because even if I look at this graph, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right minus left is going to be the width. Let me just comment that as well so that everyone can follow the code. So calculate width by finding the difference between right and left. Just got an email. Bro, it's a remote job. Not sure. I can't say any information yet unless I get it. Can you all know? I'm not sure until like I actually even get an offer, so I don't know. They weren't too specific about it. I think it's on site though. Or maybe it's not, I'm not sure. Not too sure yet. Right minus left. Oh, the phone is going crazy. I had 20 minutes. Okay, we gotta move quick. Wasting too much time. And then calculate area. All the area is gonna be is equal to height multiplied by width. And then we want to find the current. Let me make a comment. Find the current max area. And the way we're gonna do that is we're just gonna do max area, or we call it current max. So current max equals max current max and then area. Yep, that should be good. And all we want to do now is we want to adjust our pointers. So now that we've yeah, we want to adjust our pointers, so we want to look at how we're going to increment our pointers. So let's just do that. If right equal left, which we don't want to reach, to be honest. Yeah, I guess, okay. If right, yeah, we don't want it to even calculate the right and left, because that would be unnecessary. But if the right pointer equals the left pointer, then we're just gonna reset right to len height -1. That's all we're gonna do. And at the end we just increment, and this would be our else, I guess. Else left plus no, we only want to increment the left if it's reached the end, so we can't even do that. Else right plus equals 1, or minus equal 1, because we're going the opposite direction. We might have to debug this. Where is chat at, boys? Also, everyone new, y'all gotta smash the subscribe button, bro. We gotta keep growing. Do. If right equal left right equals len height -1, and then how? So we only increment the left pointer once. Yeah, if right equal left, then yeah, you just reset. We just be resetting, bruv. Left plus equals 1. But we want to do it so while left is greater than right. Or no, we want it to do while left is less than right, not greater. While right is greater than left. So we don't want to ever even let it get to the point where it does. Huh. So let's say it starts at 0. We calculate everything. We go through this. It's not right. Minus equals 1. So when it's like here, So I'm just thinking, when it's here, and this is here, it's still gonna calculate this, but it's gonna go through, do it, and then right minus equals 1. No, we can't do it like that. Yeah, no, it wouldn't make sense to do right minus equals 1 and go here, because that's just not worth, yeah, it just wouldn't make sense. And if we have that if condition, it will never even reach the end of the while loop. Because yeah, if it, okay, we can't even do that. We can't even do that unless, yeah, I wouldn't write it like this. I need to think, chat. I need to cook up. I have 14 minutes. 14 minutes to figure something out. 14 minutes. Chat, are we cooked, chat? What does chat think? What does chat think? Are we cooked, boys? Are we cooked? I don't know, bro. I'm tripping. I don't know. How would I? I gotta be smart, bro. I have 15 minutes. I don't have much time. How would I do this? So I don't want it to ever, I want it to reset as soon as it, no, that was fine what I had, right? But I can't ever let it equal. If that makes sense. I wanted to check the possibility. Okay, wait, I have an idea. If right equal left plus 1. Yeah. And then return. Let him cook. Yeah, I think this is it. Return. Bro, I can't even write return right. Current max. I gotta try running this though. What's up? Why can't it access? Line 21. Oh, just a naming error, sorry. Let's fix that. Oh. Accepted. Nice, we got it. That's crazy. That didn't even take that long. That took me, I guess that took me 20 minutes, almost 19 minutes. Is this the most optimal solution though? So let's see the actual, let's consider the actual time complexity. So time complexity. Let's see. So we have one while loop. This makes it O of n. But the pointer, I guess it's O of 1 space. So space is obviously O of 1 because I'm not using any additional data structures. So space is O of 1. But time With time, I'm gonna go O of N, because I mean I can't do better than O of N. I don't go to uni for the intern. While I'm on internship, I'm not gonna go to uni, or I'm gonna take a few classes. That's a good question though. But yeah, what was the acceptance rate for this problem? Leet Code. Max water. $55.9 a second. It's But let me see. What the time complexity is. So I think it's just O of N, because there's nothing we're really doing. So it's O of N and O of 1. I don't think it gets better than that. What is the space and time complexity of this solution? I think it's O of N time and then O of 1 space, but yeah. You will not attend class, but how will you get the degree then? You're supposed to, like, at least in Canada, like if you don't get a summer internship, you get a fall internship. So I was doing classes up until now, but you just don't go to uni for your co-op term, and then once you're done, you just come back. So they give you like a year or whatever. So this is a year long. Yeah, time complexity is O of N, space is O of 1, but this is like a year long. So how it works is you just do it, and you come back once you're done, and you just finish your degree. So I'm almost done. Is LeetCode really worth it these days when AI can basically solve it, or we just need to practice it? Because that's how modern work interviews focus more on. I just focus on building mini projects. Depends. It is important for the interview. I just did an interview. There's LeetCode, so I guess if you can cheat in them, then yeah, you probably should learn it. But if you can cheat, then yeah, I guess it doesn't matter. But it's not easy though. But yeah, the time and space was correct. That's just my thought process on it though, Kelly. Like, I think learn it, be good at it, because you're not gonna get many opportunities to cheat in interviews. They make it pretty difficult. It's not like most people I know don't like successfully cheat. So bro, you are in third year. After 1 year, you would probably get the degree during the job time. I can't do the degree while doing the job. I think the company doesn't allow you to, and then you can't also, I think the university doesn't allow you to. But they give you, it's just 1 year course, like it's part of the degree. Like you can do it on like I don't know. I'm already like I'm 27 courses in, because I'm kind of accelerated. So I have to finish 40 courses. I only have 13 courses left. So I have like two semesters and a little bit left. So I'm basically almost done. But yeah, it just comes down to I don't think it's worth finishing my degree right now anyways, because if I do and I don't have internship experience, then it's just kind of very difficult for me to get a job in this current job market. But that's just how I see it. Let me see how good this solution is comparatively. I don't think you can get better than O of N time on this though, because it is a 2-pointer solution. Or that's what they wanted me to do. I don't know, what do you all think? Is there a better way to... Let's see how many people I beat for this. It's taking a minute, bro. I don't know why it's taking this long. Why is it taking so long? What the heck? How am I exceeding the time limit on this? This is crazy. And is there like a constraint? You can't have O of N time? Or is this problem just different than the one I'm currently doing? Is there a better solution? is already optimal. Okay, I don't know why it ain't running on no Leet Code, bro. I think apparently I have another submission of this. I basically did this. Oh no, this is not. While left is less than right container. It's what the heck? This is the same thing. If height left less than height right. Yeah, what's so? I don't even know. I guess it's just bugging. It's just bugging on this. Just trying to beef, bro. Yeah, even GPT is saying this is the most optimal solution. Is there another way to write it? Can you do online classes? Yeah, that's one of the ideas I have, but I can't take super intense classes, if that makes sense. Also, we're done with the 2-pointer Leet Code blind 75. Bro, now it's giving me some brute force. But this is probably going to be... This is O of n squared. I mean, look, bro, this is O of 1, O of n. I don't know why it's exceeding time limit for anything like this. Apparently, even GPT says it's the most optimal, so I guess it's just trying to beef. Like in an interview, they don't have it like in this. They don't use Leet Code. They just look at your thing. If it has the right time complexity and space complexity, you're good. But yeah, we're done with 2-pointers. I think next time I do Leet Code, we'll probably do the sliding window stuff. I've done one of them. Backtracking, I'm done. We gotta use heaps, trees, linked lists. We're almost done. We only have 2. Binary search. This came in my interview, bro. Not even just explaining it, which I don't know why I didn't fully remember how it worked. I just know it's like right and left, and then you go in the middle, and then like yeah, you just do your thing. And it's supposed to be sorted. Tries, that's good. Graphs, we still got to do advanced graphs. DP, we finished all the dynamic programming stuff. Greedy intervals, math. Yeah. Sounds fun. But yeah, I think if internship is mandatory in your uni, so they give at least 6 months time, you don't need to go to uni during this time period. Yeah, you're right. Some unis have co-ops, and then there's different things different unis do. At least for my uni, from what I'm explaining to you guys, it's just yeah, it's just what I said. Like it's like it's optional to do the internship, but I just think it's a lot better to do it, and then you just take some time off uni, but you can also somewhat do some classes, and then but it'll take a little bit more time to finish your degree, but I think it's worth it. I think it's worth completing. I think it's worth doing the internship. But yeah, hope the best to you, bro. Yeah, hopefully everything works out, man. Hopefully everything works out. I really appreciate you guys, man. Inshallah, everything works out. It's a really good job. I like the job. And yeah, I don't know yet what the outcome is going to be, but I'm hoping it works out. Gotta figure out this bot stuff. But I think I'm going to take it easy for now. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and ask. It was a short stream today, but yeah, I don't know. I don't have too much to do right now. I have a project with my boys, so we're gonna start that tomorrow. But in terms of other things, like I'm just gonna chill, bro. Y'all can talk to me if you guys have any questions. I'm gonna stay for 5-10 more minutes, and then I'm probably gonna call it a stream. So yeah, bro, I'm not leaving yet. Ask whatever you guys gotta ask, bro. I'm just chilling right now. I'm just chilling. Not doing nothing crazy right now. We're just chilling with the boys, bro. Everyone, bro. There's 6 people here, bro. Y'all can say something in chat, bro. I'm trying to hear you guys. Ask me whatever you guys want. What are anyone got any questions? No one's saying anything, bro. .com. What is it? You just wrote .com. I'm glad I'm finally back on stream though, bro. Finally back with the boys. Doing well, bro. Life's good. I will love it. There is an amazing blog website. You didn't give the proper URL. I don't think it came up. Gubrica.com. Gubrica.com. I hope there's nothing bad. Yo. Clean. Even the scrolling feels really nice. Yo, whoa, whoa. Look at the like cursor and shit. I gotta add the free speech. .gubrica.com. Nah, it's the same thing, bro. It's the same thing. It's kind of sick, though. Look at this. Clean. Nah, bro, I can't. I'm just confused at this point. You're confusing me, bro. Free speech. What's a free speech, bro? That's a want, bro. Free speech is a want. Oh, you mean space? Space. Bro, it takes me back to .gabri. Yeah, I'm doing that, bro. I'm doing .gabrica. Gabrica.com. Like, look, it just takes me to this. We given Adrian Gabrica free advertisement. Ad free speech. Bro, what is free speech? What does that mean? What is free speech? We'll write it the way.
Free speech.
Freedom of speech. Writing. Yeah, what is free? Does anyone know what free speech is? Yo, this guy's trolling, bro. This guy's messing with me. But guys, also remember to check TalhoRich.com out. W website, W everything. It's a sick thing. Bro, what is free spec? Free spec. Oh, free spec. Oh, my bad, my bad. Free spec. I was like, what is bro talking about free speech? Yeah, Rika.com. Nah, you messing with me. Free speech, bro. Tell us about free speech. The interactive dictionary of free speech.
Freedom of speech is a key indicator of democracy. However, in the past 17 years, the freedom of speech has been on a steady decline, which includes even European democracies and the United States. What really
Yo, what the heck? I feel like I'm in a video game right now. Yo, this is actually like messing with my eyes. I'm not gonna lie. What the heck was that? That was actually a crazy website. Yes or no, we talking. Yo, that was a crazy website. No, God, I'm not gonna lie. That website actually like had my eyes on lockdown. That website was sick, yo. Sick website, not gonna lie. W website. Yeah, that website was insane, bro. But yeah, this is a portfolio website. Henry Heifer. Is it, hey, real talk though? Before I open that up, bro, why do you know about all of these things? Like, what makes you like find these things? Like, genuinely, like, how are you like? You be like on this stuff, bro. Like, Henry Heffernan. .com. I just put Henry Hegernan. Heffernan. Yo, what the heck is this? Yo. What the heck? Yo, clean. This is crazy. That was crazy. Alright, this is the last one, then I'm gonna call the stream. JessZoo.com. Cooking my ramen. Okay, start. Yo, this is actually insane. This one's even better, I'm not gonna lie. I'm making my new developer data. Yo. See my boy's LinkedIn. This is clean. All this for a developer portfolio? But that was clean, I'm not gonna lie. Yo, some sick finds, bro, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, guys, thank you guys all for tuning in for today. I got a call stream for today because there's not much for me to do. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back tomorrow, hopefully, and I'm gonna start the project that I have with my group. Maybe on stream, we'll see. I think I showed the chatbot we already have. I'm gonna just show it one last time. This is the chatbot we made. Sorry, let's just open ChatGPT. AI chatbot. And then I'm gonna just show you guys. So go to chat. You have this. You can say hi. It's for head starters, so it responds perfectly. Bye. It was nice. What mentorship opportunities? Whatever. It responds like using Grok Cloud API. It's pretty clean. Everything's good. My friend designed this. I made the back end, and then my other friend designed this. It's all pretty decent. But yeah, we have a feedback thing. I don't know if I can open that, but yeah. Feedback. Yeah, we gotta get rid of that because we have this now instead. But yeah, it's just one of the. We're still working on some other projects now. That was just one of them. But yeah, in terms of everything else, guys, I think that's it for me today. Thank you guys all for tuning in. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Really helps out the channel. And I think I'm going to see you all later. Peace out. Peace out. Do, 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 do.